You got a table and 2 chairs and a little walking path that will take you right out to the smaller children's splash pad area. Room 5018. This is a junior suite with pool view. Let's take a look inside. So I walk in, I notice tons of storage space. Got your amenity bar, mini bar, and I really like that they also have a wine fridge there too. So this is a junior suite with pool view. Very nice king side bed, 2 side tables, reading lights, a nice little love seat or sofa here, coffee table, separate table and chairs. And as I mentioned, this is a pool view. You walk out onto this beautiful terrace. You got a table and 2 chairs and a little walking path that will take you right out to the smaller children's splash pad area. And I will come back into the room. You can see that there are sliding doors, a little peekaboo window from the washroom into the bedroom. Those can close if you wish for a little more privacy. Lovely vanity, 2 sinks, big mirror, voila, and a shower tub combo space. That glass was so clear I nearly walked through it. You got 2 shower heads, 2 rainwater shower heads in here, 2 handheld nozzles, and of course a beautiful soaker tub with a peekaboo view right into the room. Again, these sliders can close if you do want a little bit of privacy. You can close those up. And just behind the door here, you have the toilet area, which does have a proper closing door as well. So this was a junior suite with pool view here at Dreams Macao.